Hi everyone, 20% of 3 over 5 of 1 over 4. Okay, so 20% means 20 over 100. Of means multiply, and of here means multiply. So let us write down 20 over 100, then multiply by 3 over 5, and multiply by 1 over 4. So we're going to multiply this first, these two. So we say here 5 by 1 and 5 by 4. So what we'll get here, 4 by 3 is 12, and 100 by 1 is 100. Now we multiply with a quarter. Then by 4 is 1, and by 4 is 3. So we're going to write 3 by 1 is 3 and 100. Or we can say 0.03. So this is our answer. We can also multiply it straight away. 20 over 100 multiply by 3 over 5 multiply by 1 over 4. Okay, so we say 20 by 3 is 60, by 1 is 60 over. 5 by 100 is 500, by 4 is 2000. Cancel this 0, then we say by 2 is 3, and by 2 is 100. So our answer is 3 over 100. Or we can say 0.03. So this is our answer. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.